Hi there, welcome back to Sky Art Studio. In this video, we're diving into the top 3 bedroom color ideas that can make any space look luxurious without spending a fortune. Let's start with a timeless favorite, white and beige. Category 1, classic and elegant. Now I want you to imagine a small bedroom with soft morning light streaming through sheer curtains. The walls are a soft ivory, the bedding is creamy beige, and the room feels like a cloud. This color combo is perfect for small bedrooms or anyone who loves a minimalist aesthetic. Why it works? Because white and beige are timeless. They create a sense of cleanliness and space. If you're dealing with a smaller room, this duo can instantly make it feel bigger and brighter. Pros? It's versatile, elegant, and blends with literally any furniture style. Add in some wooden textures or brass accents, and you're suddenly in a Pinterest-perfect bedroom. Cons? If you're not careful, it can feel a bit sterile or too plain. That's why layering is key. Think cushions, warm lights, a plant or two. The X factor? It brightens your room like nothing else, making it feel open, airy, and expensive, even if it's not. All right, now onto something a little more dramatic but equally stylish. Blue and white. Category 2, cool and calm. If you've ever stayed in a boutique hotel or visited a coastal Airbnb, you've probably seen this palette in action. This is ideal for classic, coastal, or nautical-themed rooms. Think navy walls, crisp white bedding, maybe a sea-inspired painting or two. Pros? This combo is strong, calming, and visually striking. Blue represents trust and calm, and white keeps it fresh. Cons? Be mindful with navy. It can overpower a room if used on too many surfaces or without enough lighting. Accent walls are a great solution. The X factor? Navy gives your room a bold, upscale richness that mimics those high-end interiors we all admire on design shows. Here's a fun fact. Studies show that blue bedrooms can actually help you sleep better, calming your heart rate and reducing anxiety. Let's talk pink and gray, the most surprising combo on our list. Category 3, bold and chic. Now before you say pink, really? Hear me out. This is not bubblegum pink. We're talking about blush, dusty rose, and muted grays. Combined, they create an interior that's soft, modern, and quietly luxurious. Ideal for Scandinavian or soft modern interiors, this combo is amazing for people who want elegance without stiffness. Pros? It's romantic, warm, and incredibly inviting. Cons? If you don't balance the blush with grounded tones like dark gray or black, it can look overly sweet. The X factor? Pink and gray add that subtle romantic charm, a gentle softness that makes a room feel thoughtfully designed without being loud. Imagine curling up in a rose-toned reading nook with soft lighting and a warm throw blanket. Sounds dreamy, right? Now, if you want to translate this kind of beauty into your own creative projects, or you're working on a design portfolio, check out my curated collection of editable portfolio covers and layouts on Payhip. You'll find that and more, plus an instant free download when you sign up. So those were our top 3 bedroom color ideas to help your room look expensive and elegant without the expensive price tag. Quick recap. White and beige, airy and timeless. Blue and white, calming and bold. Pink and gray, soft and chic. Which one was your favorite? Or do you have a color combo you absolutely swear by? Let me know in the comments. I love hearing what inspires you. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's redoing their room or loves interior design. And don't forget to tap the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos on design, art, and creativity. Check out the description for all the portfolio downloads, freebies, and links to my blog, where I talk more about design tips just like this. Thanks for spending time with me today. Your space is a reflection of your story, and I hope you keep designing it with intention and love. See you next time. And until then, stay inspired and stay creative.